Hi everyone, Mike back with another amazing tech tip. My entire team and I hope these tech tips are helping you to get more from your information technology investments and services. This week, we cover Microsoft Forms. Are you looking to simplify and make your remote work more efficient? Well, in this week's tech tip video, we explored how this underrated Microsoft 365 service can help you create a more connected workplace. The demand for cloud-based collaboration and communication tools has now reached an all-time high. And yet, strangely enough, there is one tool that many are quick to overlook: Microsoft Forms. Microsoft Forms is an application in Microsoft 365 that allows you to create forms quickly, collect responses in real time, and visualize the data using automatic charts. Within a few minutes and without any training, you can create a form that respondents can fill out, and what's more, the forms can be filled on any browser instead of installing another app. So how do you get started with Microsoft Forms? To begin using Microsoft Forms, first head to the Microsoft Forms homepage at forms.microsoft.com. Once you've logged in, you might see the welcome screen even if you're opening Microsoft Forms for the first time. Once you've dismissed that screen, you'll end up in the My Forms section. None of these is group connected, meaning they are all your forms. To begin creating your first form, click on New Form. You can now input a name for your form and a brief description. To add questions to your form, select Add Question. You can choose from choice, text, rating, or date questions. There are other options including ranking, Likert, file upload, or net promoter score. After you've selected the type of question your form will have and finalized the details, click Preview at the top of the design window. This will enable you to see how the form will look on a computer. You may wish to test your form. To do this, key in answers for the questions in preview mode and then select Submit. If you want to see how your form will appear on a mobile device, simply click Mobile. Once you're done previewing and are satisfied with your form, click Back. There you have it, Microsoft Forms. Check it out. Thanks for tuning in to this week's tech tip, and stay tuned for future insights into the world of information technology.